SCON Design India Private Ltd is a leading BIM company located in Malleswaram, Bangalore. With their expertise in building information modeling, BIM, SCON Design has established itself as one of the top BIM companies in the region. The company offers a wide range of BIM services, including 3D modeling, clash detection, virtual design and construction documentation. As a top BIM company, SCON Design is committed to delivering high-quality services to its clients. They have a team of experienced BIM professionals who are skilled in using the latest BIM software and technologies. The company follows a systematic approach to ensure the successful implementation of BIM projects. They work closely with their clients to understand their requirements and provide customized solutions that meet their specific needs. SCON Design has worked on various prestigious projects in Malleswaram, Bangalore, and has gained a reputation for delivering projects on time and within budget. Their expertise in BIM allows them to streamline the construction process, minimize errors, and improve communication among stakeholders. By using BIM, SCON Design ensures that all project information is centralized, accessible, and up-to-date, enabling effective collaboration and coordination. One of the key advantages of working with SCON Design is their ability to detect clashes and resolve them before construction begins. By identifying potential conflicts in the design phase, they help save time and money by avoiding rework during construction. This results in a smoother construction process and a higher quality end product. SCON Design also provides detailed construction documentation that includes accurate quantity takeoffs, material schedules, and specifications. SCON Design India Private Ltd is widely recognized as the top BIM company in Malleswaram, Bangalore. With its expertise in building information modeling, BIM, SCON Design has established itself as a leading player in the industry. BIM is a digital representation of the physical and functional characteristics of a building, which enables architects, engineers, and construction professionals to collaborate and make informed decisions throughout the project lifecycle. SCON Design's commitment to excellence and innovation sets it apart from its competitors, making it the preferred choice for clients seeking top-quality BIM services. One of the key factors that contribute to SCON Design's reputation as the top BIM company in Malleswaram, Bangalore is its team of highly skilled professionals. The company boasts a team of architects, engineers, and BIM specialists who are dedicated to delivering exceptional results. These experts possess in-depth knowledge of BIM technologies and have the ability to effectively utilize them to meet the specific requirements of each project. Their expertise, combined with their commitment to staying updated with the latest industry trends, allows SCON Design to consistently deliver superior BIM solutions. SCON Design's extensive experience in the field of BIM also contributes to its status